banking influences financial decision making. Welcome to the Finance Fusion, your clarity code for complex finance fundamentals. Today, we'll decode how investment banking influences the financial decision making. At all levels, investment banking is essential in forming and influencing financial decision making. It influences transient customary functions as it turns into a compass for organization, people, and enterprises. Investment banks have significant sway over important decision-making processes thanks to their financial know-how, capital market insights, and strategic advice services. Investment bankers advise influences capital, raising the tactics, mergers, acquisition, and other financial decisions. Investment bank becomes a major actor in this complex dance of market dynamics, providing strategic direction and nuanced insights that have a significant impact on the financial choices that propel economic growth and individual success. Point number 1. Capital raising and corporate financing. Consider yourself a business with lofty goals for growth, R&D, or even debt refinancing. You require capital, and investment bankers are useful in this regard. Investment bank assist companies in obtaining that capital required to support their expansion through debt issuance, initial public offering, and other means. The choice to raise money is influenced by the company's strategic posture in the market. Not only its financial performance, it is also equipped with a keen understanding of finance. Investment banks advise businesses on choices that will impact their long-term finances. Number 2, valuation and fairness opinions. The foundation of financial decision-making is valuation. Finding the fair value is essential whether a business is preparing for an IPO or it's merging. Investment bankers use complex valuation techniques to provide information about an asset or a company's fair value. Their assessments of fairness serve as a benchmark for talks, guaranteeing that the financial exchanges are just and equitable for all involved. Investment bankers' skill is valuation has a big impact on financial choices made throughout these deals. Point 3. Risk management and hedging. Risk is a concept of all financial decisions, and investment banks are the experts in managing it. Companies can receive assistance in managing intricate financial risk by means of risk assessment, hedging methods, and derivative instruments. Investment bankers give the decision makers the skill and the technique which they need to make to fasten the decision and protect their financial security, regardless of the market, interest rate, or commodity, or even volatility. Number 4, debt and equity issuance. Is it better for business to use debt or equity financing? Investment bankers serve as the decision-making process, and they are the mentors when it comes to the crucial subject of finance. Companies can now better balance their debt and equity by taking into account variables including cost of capital, risk tolerance, and market conditions. A company's capital structure, financial flexibility, and capacity to pursue the strategic initiative are all directly impacted by the decision. Number 5, market research and analysis. As the leaders of the financial sector, investment bankers carry an out-debt market which is into research analysis. Decision makers are thus equipped with priceless knowledge on current economic trends, industry performance, and possible investment prospects. Equipped with this information, companies may now proactively match their financial strategies to the ever-changing market conditions. By anticipating changes and being able to adjust to the new trends, businesses may maximize their profits while lowering risks. Investment banks, acting as the watchdogs of the financial world, are therefore essential in making sure the financial choices are well informed and sensitive to the constantly changing conditions of the market. Point 6. Exit strategies and divestitures. Every endeavor in the financial world has an endpoint, and investment bankers design their own exit plans. These financial recommendations are used by the decision makers to help them through complex transactions such as an asset divestiture, business unit sales, and company sale preparation. The choice to exit or divest has a significant financial ramification and influences company's portfolio's direction. The financial well-being of the firm is enhanced by the investment banks vital insights which guarantee their exit strategies in the long-term objectives. And it also represents the end of a strategic, frequently revolutionary chapter in the company's financial story. Strategic advisory and industry expertise. Investment bankers are experienced strategic advisors in addition to their financial expertise. They are able to provide insights that go beyond the balance sheets and income statements because of their extensive research and knowledge. Investment bankers are a great resource for businesses seeking that guidance on the best course of action when forced with the crossroads. This strategic input affects choices about long-term viability, product development, and market positioning, which in turn affects a company's financial path. Point 8. Investor relation and perception management. The way people view a firm can have a big effect on its financial situation. Investment banks have an impact on how the market views their clients and how investors' relations are managed. Investment bankers help businesses tell their financial stories to stakeholders and investors through roadshows, conferences, and communication tactics. A complex component of financial decision making and its perception managing affects the credit ratings, stock prices, and market confidence in general. 9. Distressed debt and restructuring. Companies may need to restructure during uncertain economic time or a financial hardship. Investment banks assist businesses in navigating difficult financial difficulties by specializing in providing advice on distressed debt issues. For faltering companies, their proficiency in debt recognition, bankruptcy procedures, and financial restructuring can be a lifeline. The choices firm makes in these crucial times can determine its future course and chances of survival. Number 10. Crisis management and contingency planning. Investment banks become invaluable advisors during uncertain times, which helps them providing vital guidance on crisis management and emergency preparation. Whether facing company-specific obstacle or a worldwide economic depression, decision makers find refuge in their knowledge. Investment banks use their skills and provide firms with plans that guarantee both the financial stability and the resilience required to take advantage of the opportunities in the face of adversity. These financial architects navigate the unanticipated crisis by protecting against risks and positioning decision makers to take advantage of the opportunities for growth and innovation. This highlights the critical role of investment banking play in guiding businesses through challenging times with financial acumen and strategic foresight. To sum up, investment banking is the mastermind behind financial architecture and has great sway over how decisions are made. Investment banks are invaluable advisors handling everything from capital raising, M&A plans to negotiating international markets and formulating crisis responses. Their knowledge goes beyond conventional financial domain to include technology sustainability and human resource. Investment banking shapes the decisions that have an impact on the government, businesses, and the overall economy. This shows how a dynamic and ever-evolving collaboration exists beyond simple financial transactions. Our journey into this financial clarity doesn't end here. Explore our archive of videos for a wealth of knowledge just waiting for you. If you have found value in our today's video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for our future insights, and share it with your friends. Remember, the more we learn together, the stronger we become. Thanks for being part of the Finance Fusion, your campus to financial enlightenment.